I've got the perfect Korean food for anyone looking to lose some weight. These days here in Korea, there's a trend going on for a food called 참치덮밥. Basically, it's cabbage with tuna and rice. You might have seen this if you watch Korean show 나혼자산다. It was on there recently, and now it's taking over Korea. And everyone's waking up in the morning to get their bowl of rice with cabbage and tuna. So I'm going to show you how to make it. If we look at some past photos, I used to be in shape, but this winter, cooked too much good food. So let's get in there. Let's lose some weight with this fashionable Korean dish. No more boiled chicken for me. I'm eating this every morning.